mass duplicate pages, let's say you have a team of people and you want them all to have the same website and you're not real sure how to do it. Well, I'm going to show you an awesome system called the Conversion Pros and show you how you can take any pages. We give you capture pages, you could build landing pages, you get unlimited pages. You could add phone numbers, social networks, drag in pictures, drag in videos. You can do all kinds of cool pages that you want. And every page that you build inside our system, which is very, very easy to do, for example, you could add pictures, backgrounds, all kinds of stuff. You'll see right here it comes with what we call a share code. And again, you can have unlimited pages. So if I show the rows of pages here, I'll just go all the way to 100. You can see I have pages and pages of actual pages, right? And if I wanted to, let's say I wanted everybody on my team to use this, I'm going to show you how easy it is. So they would just go ahead and get a Conversion Pros account. And we give away an account for free for 14 days. There's no credit card required, no payment information required whatsoever. We can't charge you unless you actually love the system. What you would do is once they get the account, you would just simply copy the code of the page. So you would just copy the code and you would send it to them. What they would do is they would log in their back office, click on their page builder, and click on create a page, and then they would click this blue button, use share code. They would hit paste, they would hit save, and that's it. It's already copied. Now they could go edit it. So they could go edit this page. They can change all their verbiage, anything else they want on here, but where the form goes. So where do you want this form to go if it's a capture page, for example? They could edit it, and they could type in whatever URL they want here, okay? Or if they're using another page within our system, there's a drop down of all the pages. They could select one, but whatever is typed in this box is where it's going to go. So if they have a different link than you, all they do is come in and edit that real quick. After they edit it, they hit save, and then they would have a URL to go out there and market that same page. We also give them teeny URLs to create small links to market on social media. So you could build page after page after page, and if you just want everybody on your team to have it, all they have to do is go get a Conversion Pros account, 14 days for free. The minute they sign up, you just copy the code, give it to them, they create a page, pop the code in here, and it literally replicates your page in seconds. So go take a trial today.